Now, if no matter what, you don't have two corners matching color, that's okay. That's fine. This will happen some of the time. Just do the algorithm, the one I mentioned earlier, and you will get the what are actually called headlights, which is the two of the same with a different in the middle. Position it and do the algorithm. And you should be at the step where 3 or sometimes 4 edges are mislocated. This is the very last step. There's one algorithm. Actually, there's two algorithms. There are two algorithms that are keeping you from completing the cube. But you will only use one to finish it. Now you will notice that the 3 colors go in a specific order. So, the blue goes to blue, orange goes to orange, red goes to red. So this would be, because we need to move all these edges clockwise, this would be a clockwise case. So the algorithm for the clockwise case is simple. F2, U, L, R prime, F2, L prime, R, U, F2. Now, this case is the second version. It's the same as the first case, only you need to do, instead of U moves, U prime moves. So this algorithm would be F2, U prime, L, R prime, F2, L prime, R, U prime, F2. This does happen, where 4 pieces are switched. That's not good. Just do either one of the algorithms. So I'll do the clockwise case. And then do the same algorithm again. Well, then do the algorithm that corresponds. So this would be another clockwise case. Good job. You did it. You did what no one else can that you know. You finished the cube. It is a huge accomplishment. It is the greatest thing you've ever done in your life. Again, if you didn't understand any of it, or you want to learn better, practice, rewatch, write down notes, watch videos, do everything else. And now you can totally kill your cube with a big scary dagger, even though this is kind of a tiny dagger. Yes, this will do nicely. Or you could use a hammer. I prefer using both.